Hello and welcome back to Master 79. Today we are going to master one small phrase that makes your English sound much more natural, in case. By the end of this lesson you will know exactly what it means, how to build a sentence with it, and how it is different from if. Here is our plan. First, the core meaning, in case, is the language of precautions. Then the structure, and the one tense rule that most learners get wrong. After that, the big question, in case, or if. We will look at in case of plus a noun, which you see on signs and notices. We will cover just in case, and how to talk about the past. And at the end, a short quiz so you can test yourself. One quick note, every example sentence in this lesson was written for teaching purposes. Let's start with the core meaning. In case tells us why we do something. We do something now because something might happen later. Look at this sentence. Take an umbrella in case it rains. You pick up the umbrella first before you leave the house. Maybe it rains. Maybe it does not. That does not matter. The umbrella is your protection against a possibility. So in case means because this might happen. It is the language of being prepared. Now the structure. After in case we need a subject and a verb, and that verb is in the present simple even when we are talking about the future. I will write it down in case I forget. Not in case I will forget. Just in case I forget. Here are two more. Take some cash in case the card doesn't work. I will set 2 alarms in case the first one fails. Present simple every time. The idea of the future is already inside the phrase in case, so the verb does not need to show it again. Here is the mistake I hear most often, so please listen carefully. We never use will directly after in case. Not I will take my phone in case I will get lost. Instead, I will take my phone in case I get lost. Not save the file in case the computer will crash. Instead, save the file in case the computer crashes. And not leave early in case there will be traffic. Instead, leave early in case there is traffic. Notice the first half of the sentence can use will. It is only after in case that we keep the present tense. And now the big question. In case or if. Look at the left side. I will take an umbrella in case it rains. I put the umbrella in my bag before I leave, and it may stay there all day, closed and dry. Now the right side. I will open the umbrella if it rains. Here I do nothing until the rain actually starts. Same with money. Take some cash in case the card doesn't work. That is preparation. I will pay in cash if the card doesn't work. That is a reaction. At the shop in the moment. In case comes before. If comes after. So here is a simple test you can use in 1 second. Ask yourself, am I preparing or am I reacting? If you are preparing before anything happens, use in case. If you are reacting only when it happens, use if. Listen to this pair. I will take my laptop in case I need to work. That means the laptop is in my bag, whatever happens. I will take my laptop if I need to work. That means I leave it at home unless I already know there is work. One small word, and the whole picture changes. Now a different structure with the little word of. In case of plus a noun means if there is. In case of fire, use the stairs. That means if there is a fire, use the stairs. In case of emergency, call this number. In case of delay, passengers will be informed. Notice that after in case of we do not put a subject and a verb. We put a noun, fire, emergency, delay. This structure is formal, and you will see it everywhere on signs, notices, and safety instructions. Let's protect you from 3 structure mistakes. Not in case of it rains, stay inside. It rains is a subject and a verb, so we drop the of or we change to a noun. In case of rain, stay inside. Next, not in case fire, call this number. Fire is a noun, so we need the of. In case of fire, call this number. And finally, not in case of you need help, ask at the desk. Instead, in case you need help, ask at the desk. The rule is short. Of plus a noun, no of before a subject and a verb. In case is not only for the future. When you tell a story about the past, the verb after in case becomes past as well. She wrote down the address in case she forgot it. I took a jacket in case it got cold. We left early in case there was traffic. In every one of those sentences, the person is preparing for something that might have happened. The precaution is the same, only the time has changed. And now my favorite, because it is so easy to use. Just in case. This is a fixed phrase, and the wonderful thing is that you can put it at the end of a sentence with nothing after it at all. I'm not hungry, but I'll take a sandwich, just in case. Take some cash, just in case. It probably won't rain, but bring the umbrella just in case. No clause, no noun, nothing. The listener already understands in case something happens. This is extremely common in everyday spoken English. Here are 6 ready-made phrases. Do not build these word by word. Learn them whole, and they will come out of your mouth automatically. Just in case, the everyday version. In case of emergency, which you see on signs. In case anything goes wrong, perfect for talking about plans. In case you need it later, when you hand something to someone. In case I forget, when you write something down. And a lovely partner phrase just to be on the safe side. Say each one out loud with me later, and they are yours. Time to test yourself. Pause the video now and try all 5. Number 1. Save your work now, blank, the computer crashes. Number 2. Blank emergency, call this number. In case or in case of. Number 3. Write down my address in case you blank it. The verb is forget. Number 4. It probably won't be cold, but take a jacket, blank. And number 5. Find the mistake. I'll take some money in case I will need it. Pause now and press play when you are ready. Let's check. Number 1. Save your work now in case the computer crashes. It is a precaution before the problem. Number 2. In case of emergency, call this number. Emergency is a noun, so we need the word of. Number 3. Write down my address in case you forget it. Present simple, even though the meaning is future. Number 4. Take a jacket, just in case. The fixed phrase close is the sentence with nothing after it. And number 5. The correct sentence is I'll take some money in case I need it. Never will after in case. If you got 4 or 5 correct, that is excellent work. Let's recap the 5 things to remember. 1. In case means because something might happen. It is a precaution, and it comes before the event. 2. Use a present verb for future meaning. In case it rains, never in case it will rain. 3. If is a condition. You act only when the thing happens. 4. In case of plus a noun means if there is. In case of fire, use the stairs. And 5. Just in case can stand alone at the end of a sentence. Well done for finishing the lesson. Here is your homework, and it takes 2 minutes. Make 3 sentences of your own today. 1 about your bag, 1 about your phone, and 1 about the weather. Then say them out loud, because that is how a new language really sticks. If this helped you, please subscribe to BeMaster79, and I will see you in the next lesson. Take care.